How to fix Instagram video story problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then make sure go to battery and make sure performance mode is enabled, and that's it. Now go back and go to battery, and go back and go to storage, then click clean up. Make sure you have enough space, or you can just delete some photos and videos from your gallery. And that's it. If that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to update your Instagram. Go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Then restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And after that, if that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.